Yeah, one more week and basically zero progress at the house. Hopefully that's rain you hear in the background. I can't wait to have some lower temperatures because it's been ridiculous lately. That, yeah, the dirt piles are still here, no digger to be seen, and we are already delayed even before we start the basement. Ideally, I would love to have that removed so I can put sand there, cement there, rebar here, and then have easy access to the basement. But yeah, that might be a while. It's not all bad though, because I did manage to get hold of that, which is a vacuum cleaner, which is, yeah, that's a telltale sign that you're getting old when you get excited about a vacuum cleaner. But I'm super happy about it. And I'm even more happy about this. Anything from Festool is exciting, and this is probably the least exciting thing from Festool, but I'm excited about it because it's the actual cleaning kit, which means I can start using that, and I can actually start cleaning this, as well as the villa, which is something I've been dying to get that cleaned for quite some time now. It's not pleasant in there. It's super dusty, and I'm gonna deal with it. So expect some cleaning in this episode. Yeah. Before I forget, not sponsored, unfortunately. Just very happy about it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Dogs are slightly excited to get out for a walk, which is gonna happen. We didn't get rain, unfortunately, but I took the opportunity, if there is one, to actually do some digging instead of cleaning inside, or I did clean the stables, but yeah, I then went here and finished all of this instead. So what I did was I extended the width of this. So it's actually much wider than it needs to be, but I just did it because there's no point saving like half a feet or 20 centimeters of dirt here on the side and then fill that, make floor. I just make slightly larger section like that instead. So yeah, that's been happening. That's why I'm out of breath. Now I'll head outside with the dogs for a walk. So I'm at Osvaldo's, checking up on him, and had a quick lunch, and he's in top shape. Grass is looking nice. And yeah, gonna head home. Gonna drop him off at the local bar. He's gonna do his daily card game with his friends, and I'm heading back to, I think, the basement. We'll see. Still no rain, and in the coming 10 days it looks like it's not gonna be any rain, so I'm out of luck, or in luck, depends on your viewpoint. I'm heading inside because yeah, it's warm, and because I got a new toy, so I'm gonna do some cleaning. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do any time lapse of that. Might be of zero interest, at least in most of the rooms. There might be a before and after of the really dirty ones, but yeah, we'll see. I might not keep any of it in, and it might not be much of an episode because basically making zero progress, so there's nothing to upload. So we'll see. I might just upload a couple of minutes just to let you guys know that nothing's going on. All right, so yeah, that's it. That's the result of hours of work. It might not look like much, but the difference is actually huge. That's what she said. I haven't been working in the house for quite some time now. I have overspent my time in here for a bit, and basically I'm still waiting for a giraffe sander to take care of the walls, or if I decide to just do it by hand, which is also an option. So yeah, for the new viewers, this is it. There's still some work to do, yeah, it's going to be a few more episodes before I'm done. We also received some news about the digger. It's basically, well, we waited already about 2 weeks, and it's probably another week or maybe 2 more weeks. So we are probably a month delayed already before we start, which is Italy, I guess. So I'm actually gonna end it because we have had a few lazy days here, and basically just waiting so that I can order the material and get going. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you to all the patrons. Thank you for subscribing, liking, leave a comment down below. Leave a comment if there's anything special you want to see at the house, or you want me to do. So with that, I'm gonna end it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, ciao!